I want to talk about Antarctica. They are clearly protecting or preserving something that may or may not be under 3 miles of ice.
Undoubtedly a time when Antarctica was lush and green. The question is, was it lush and green during the lifetime of the human species?
Yes.
Antarctica is the last frontier. It holds our imagination.
Something seems to be going on this mysterious continent at the South Pole.
Beneath the silent white blanket that covers our poles and peaks, time has been suspended. For centuries, the ice has acted as the perfect warden, locking away history, tragedy, and even death. The warden is failing. Planet is warming, the ice is groaning, and as it recedes, it is releasing its prisoners. 13 secrets so profound, so terrifying, and so utterly unbelievable they redefine our past and threaten our future. We are witnessing the greatest, slowest archaeological reveal in history.
Last remaining territory on the planet that could have such a designation is Antarctica.
The undead plagues of the permafrost. Our deepest fear isn't just history, it's biology. In 2016, the scorching Siberian heat released a secret that should have stayed buried. Beneath the melted permafrost, a reindeer carcass infected with ancient anthrax was exposed. The bacteria, perfectly cryogenically preserved for decades, woke up. This wasn't a movie plot. It triggered a real-world outbreak, killing thousands of animals and hospitalizing humans. The implication is staggering. The ice is a deep freezer for extinct, weaponized pathogens that we have no defense against. The ghost fleets. The sea ice of the Arctic is a merciless predator. It claimed the HMS Terror and HMS Erebus, 2 British vessels lost in 1845 trying to navigate the Northwest Passage. For over 170 years, they were myths. But when the Terror was discovered, sunk in its icy cradle, it was a museum of maritime doom. Plates were stacked, furniture was in place. The ice had preserved a chilling, instantaneous snapshot of final moments. The Lost Squadron's metal ghosts. In the vast white emptiness of Greenland, the ice claimed a modern metallic prize. During World War II, the Lost Squadron, 8 American aircraft, were forced down. The crew was saved, but the planes were left to the deep freeze. They sank beneath 300 feet of grinding ice over 5 decades. Retrieving the P-38 fighter, the Glacier Girl, was a monumental feat, pulling a gleaming, perfectly preserved relic of global war out of its frigid tomb. The sky-fallen treasure. High on Mont Blanc, the ice has a grim job, returning the lost belongings of the dead. A climber found a metal case containing sapphires, rubies, and emeralds worth a fortune. This wasn't pirate loot, it was debris from Air India Flight 101, which crashed in 1966. For almost 50 years, the peak held the jewels, only releasing them as the glacier melted. The mountain weeps, giving up its stolen treasures. Antarctica's ancient forest. Forget the ice caps. Picture this. Antarctica was a jungle. Researchers found fossilized root networks and remains of massive trees that once stood over 130 feet tall, dating back 280 million years. The land we see as eternal white was once a lush, fertile green continent. The ice has held this geological truth hostage for epochs. The titans beneath the snow. If it was a jungle, it had giants. The thaw has brought forth vast caches of dinosaur fossils in the coastal regions, including remains of massive mosasaurs. The ice is the key that is now unlocking the planet's entire prehistory. The Iron Age Highway. In the mountains of Norway, the high-altitude ice is disappearing fastest. It revealed the perfectly preserved remains of an Iron Age horse. Found over 6,500 feet up, this wasn't a natural death. This horse was a pack animal. This single discovery fundamentally rewrote the history books, proving that ancient communities were using these dangerous mountain passes as major trade routes thousands of years earlier than we thought. The cosmic scars. Our greatest secrets are often the ones we can't see. Deep beneath the ice of East Antarctica, satellites detected a massive gravitational anomaly. Scientists believe this is the site of one of the largest impact craters ever discovered, a staggering 300 miles wide. The leading theory? This is the invisible scar of the impact that triggered the Permian-Triassic extinction event 250 million years ago, the largest mass extinction in Earth's history. The ice is hiding a monument to planetary death. The rivers of blood. In the dry, frozen valleys of Antarctica, a shocking sight pours out of the Taylor Glacier. Blood falls. This isn't horror, it's science. The water is tainted by high concentrations of iron oxide, rust, that stains the ice a terrifying crimson. It's a reminder that even beneath the absolute stillness, immense geological pressure creates chemical reactions that look like they belong on another world. The insect tomb. In Montana, the Grasshopper Glacier has earned its macabre name. As it melts, it releases millions of perfectly preserved grasshoppers entombed by ancient storms. This is more than just a graveyard. It's a perfect scientific sample of extinct species, showing the sheer scale of insect life thousands of years ago. Gifts from the void. The ice is a filter for the universe. Antarctica is the world's best place to find meteorites. The white surface makes the dark rocks easy to spot, and the flow of the glaciers acts like a natural cosmic conveyor belt, concentrating the space rocks in specific areas. These finds are literally pieces of other worlds, preserved perfectly by Earth's cold. The explorer's toast. To end on a human note of triumph, the ice kept the legendary explorer Shackleton's most prized possession safe. After decades, a team found several crates of McKinley's Scotch whiskey beneath the floorboards of his hut. The intense cold meant the strong alcohol hadn't frozen, preserving a perfectly potent sip of history. The last photos. Finally, the ice gave up a piece of forgotten memory. When Captain Scott's hut was restored, they found a frozen block of ice containing a box of cellulose nitrate photonegatives from Shackleton's Ross Sea Party a century earlier. The images, once developed, offered an unbelievably clear window into the daily lives and faces of those first adventurers. The ice is the ultimate vault, sealing away everything from pandemics to ancient civilizations. But the door is opening. These incredible finds are not just history, they are a direct challenge from a world long gone. What else is the ice about to reveal? Let us know in the comments which discovery terrified or amazed you the most. Like and subscribe for more deep dives into the secrets of the Earth.